Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Beach life. That's what you'll get at this cozy home in the seaside community of Treasure Beach on the south coast. Located only 3 minutes from the beach, this 4 bedroom can either be a 2 bedroom house with a separate entrance 2 bedroom flat for Airbnb rental, guests, or family. The bathroom fixtures are modern and kitchen spacious. Balconies allow for a cool sea breeze as you'll take in the breathtaking views. This home comes with water tank, solar heater, water pump. High-end wooden craftsmanship can be seen in the roof ceiling throughout and the beautiful staircase. The land area of this house is 10,000 square feet and all reasonable offers will be considered. Guys, it's time to take a look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45.6 million or US $296,277. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.